Good evening. I have just arrived from Korea. I booked a room at this hotel.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to 5-Star Hotel. May I see your ID, please?
Sure, here you are. My name is Kevin Pham. Nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure to have you here in our hotel. Give me 1 minute to check it.
Okay, but hurry up, please. I'm so tired. I just want to go to my room and rest.
Yes, sir. Oh, I think we have a problem. I don't see your booking in our system.
What? But how is that possible? I called 1 week ago to book a room here.
I understand, sir. But I can't see it in our booking system. So it doesn't exist.
Look, I called 1 week ago and I talked with a boy. I don't remember his name.
Well, if you want, I can call my supervisor. So, he can check your problem. Is that okay?
No, I don't want to wait. I was very tired.
I'm sorry, sir. But that's all I can do in this kind of situation. I'm really sorry, I can't help you more.
Yeah, I get it. But I need to sleep. I have an important event tomorrow morning.
I can't find your reservation. But I can offer you a new room in our hotel if you want.
Okay, that would be great. I don't have any problem paying extra money. I just want to sleep.
Okay, sir. First, I will need some information, please. How many days do you plan to stay?
I will stay here just this weekend, so it is 3 days.
Okay, 3 days will be. Do you come to our hotel alone or with any other person?
No, I will be alone. I came here just for work, so I didn't bring anybody with me.
Perfect. So, starting today, will you be on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, right, sir?
Yeah, I will leave on Sunday afternoon, so we can do checkout for that time.
Okay. A couple of questions more, and we will finish with the check-in, sir. Please 1 moment.
Yeah, whatever. I suppose you have a hot shower and sauna service. I read that.
That's right, sir. All of our rooms have a hot shower and sauna service. It's all included.
Great, because I need to relax a lot. I have been traveling for like a month.
Oh. Don't worry, sir. You can hire our massage service for an extra fee if you want.
Okay, but how much extra money will I have paid for that then?
It depends on the time you want to stay at the massage room. It's up to you.
I just want 1 or 2 hours of massages. I need to de-stress from all these troubles.
Oh right, sir. We also have a gym and a spa room where you can go free.
I don't exercise. But okay. Thank you for the information. Hurry up, please.
Can I offer you our premium room service? You can get all you request in just a minute.
No thanks. I'm okay with the simple room service you offer here. I suppose it's good.
We have one of the best room services in this country, sir. Don't worry about that.
Okay. Also, I'd like my room to be on the second or third floor, please.
Actually, we have premium rooms on the 10th floor, sir. With pool and grill.
10? No thanks. I am afraid of heights, so I don't want it.
Oh, okay, sir. If you want drink something, you can go to our bar.
I don't think I have time to drink at the bar, but I'd ask for a drink from my room.
Perfect. Your room rates recently went up. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, I suppose so. This time of year. How much per night are you talking about?
Let me see. Each night will be $200. Is that okay for you?
Normally, it wouldn't be expensive, but these days everything is expensive, so that's okay.
Wonderful. Do you prefer a smoking or non-smoking room? We have both options here.
I don't smoke, so I will take a non-smoking room. Actually, I hate the smell of this.
Next question, is a queen-size bed okay? We have king-size bed available.
I think the queen one will be enough, since I'm the only person who in the room.
Your reservation is in our computer. All we need now is a phone number. What's your phone number?
Sure. My cell phone number is 0341-36251.
Okay. And I also need a name in case of any emergency.
Oh, you can contact my friend, David. He lives in this city.
Okay. So, will you pay by cash or credit card, or you prefer to write a check?
I will pay with my credit card as usual. Do you accept Visa?
Let me see. Okay. You can pay by Visa card.
Oh, thank you. Here you are.
Okay. Your room is 305. It's a single queen-size bed and non-smoking. Is that suitable?
Yeah. It sounds like everything I expected. Can I have my keys, please?
Sure, here you are. I will call the bellhop. He will help you with your luggage, okay?
No, I'm fine. I can carry my own things because it's just one bag. Don't worry.
Of course, sir. Is there anything else I can help you? You just say it.
Okay, thanks. I just want to go up to my room right now to sleep. I was very tired.
Okay. Sir. If you need anything, call me from your room, okay? Good night, sir.
Okay. I see. Thank you so much.
That's all for today. I hope you liked this video. I hope this video will help improve your English listening skills. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you again in the next videos.